Diego Simeone, the famously enthusiastic Brazilian coach, didn't suspend a famous player after a thrilling match with Liverpool. After the final whistle, things became tense among the Reds fans. Everyone knows that Simeone doesn't hesitate to express his feelings, but this time, it was about control. The law quickly took effect. What a wild night it was at Anfield. Diego Simeone, the fiery Atletico Madrid manager, found himself in the thick of it, clashing with Liverpool fans like it was a Champions League final. You could feel the tension in the air as he gestured passionately, clearly fired up by the atmosphere. But things escalated quickly. After a heated exchange, the referee had no choice but to pull out the red card, sending Simeone packing. It's not every day you see a manager so emotionally invested that he's ready to go toe-to-toe with the crowd. This match wasn't just about tactics, it was a full-on battle of wills. Liverpool fans were relentless, and Simeone,